This is the Iron Trader. The pit's closed here at 2:30. That was about 35 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, let's see what we got here today. Well, we actually put in a higher low and a lower high. So we have ourselves what you call as an inside day. Okay, so now we have to see where we're going to go. So let's take a look here at the upside. So the key level here is going to be this 8 SMA. This is crucial, 83.12. Okay, if you can get above that, then we can look to yesterday's high. That's 83.42. And then what we want to do is look at this 84.89. There's your 21 day. Above that there, we have we can go to this candle here. That's 85.30. And then we can come here. You got 85.90. And then you have 86.41. So just you can follow these candles here all the way and up here. But your key resistance level is going to be your 8, your 21 SMA here, and your 50 SMA. Now, I'll close above your 50 SMA here. Well, what we do, we come to this candle here. You got 87.75 here, 88.33. 88.57, 89.54, and then your big retest here, 89.85. Now you can see how your price channel came down here. It trying to hold this level here, then it was trying to hold this level here, okay? But realistically, it just came down to the recent high here now, and now it's going sideways. So then you have a good trading range here. So we got to see what happens with this bottom price channel here, if it just curves off, and then you have a nice trading range to go in between. The key is going to be all these really, really tough resistant levels here. As you can see, you know, right up into it, down, into it, down, into it, down. And so far today, you know, nada, not going to happen. Okay, so let's look at the downside. So right now you're sitting at 82.49. What you really need to look at here first here is this 21 day, okay? That's sitting at 81.74, okay? So far it's holding on a weekly, but you got another day left here. So that is going to be your key support level here. And then we want to come to the bottom of this candle. That's 81.50. And then we have your hundo right there at 81.35. Now, again, if that's lost, and then what we do is we come down to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at that 80.30, okay? That's going to be very crucial level because that was yesterday's low. And then if that's lost here, well, we're going to come right down here to your 78.28, which lines up very nicely with your 50-day at 78.29. Very, very easy trade here, okay? So again, if this 200-day is lost, the 50-day is lost, we just follow the candlesticks all the way down, but your target is right here, 69.88. That is going to be your target there if that is lost. So far right now it's not. So we've got to see what's going to happen with this price channel here. If it curves over here and then we create a trading range here, it's just going to be a lower trading range, or see what you have. So bottom line here, watch all these key levels here. Watch that 100-day, watch this 21-day here, but watch yesterday's low. That's at 80.30. If that is lost here, you're going to be testing this 78.28 here real quick, okay? Upside, 8, 21, 50-day. A break above that, right there, top of that candle, 89.85. That is going to be your target, okay? Very, very simple. So now your RSI, well, you're looking good on that. Your MACD, you're still bearish. Your green is below your red. Not very good here. We got to see how this is going to shake out right now. It wants to make a bearish crash. It's just kissing it pretty good here, but nothing yet. So we got to see how it's all going to shake out here at the end of the week here tomorrow, okay? So let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas, hourly 4-hour chart. Now, been pointing out, if you watched my video this morning, 3.64, that was the high right here, 3.63, double top, sold right on down, okay? So now you came down here, you made a little bit lower low, but really nothing major here. You're down to 340 here. You could come all the way down to this price channel right here, 332. Very, very easy here. And if that is lost, then we come to this gap fill right there. That's that 3.279, okay? But right now here, we just got a nice sideways action. We got to see if it can break higher or what it's going to do here. So let's just look at here. So what you want to do on the upside is you want to look at this 50 SMA here, looking at 3.50. If you can get that, then we just follow these candles all the way up here, okay? So you got 3.54, you got 3.56, and then we have your big retest up there, okay? Downside, 3.46. Watch that 21-day. Watch this key 8 SMA. Okay, you're all just sitting right there, 3.45, 3.46. If that's lost, then you're going to retest that 340 pretty easy. Over here, you can see how easy that double top is with a lower high. Anytime you get a high, you get a lower high, boom. Either you sell your position or you short it, okay? If you're trading it, boom, down she goes. All right, let's take a look here at the old daily and weekly. Okay, here we have your daily and your weekly chart. Now, key levels of support on here is going to be this 8 SMA here, 3.076, that 50 SMA, 3.04, and then if that's lost, 3.81, there's your 21. Right now, it's very bullish because see, your 8 is above your 21-day, and it's above the 50-day, and it's rising up. Even if that price comes down and it holds that 8 SMA, that'd be a great scalping opportunity to buy that and go up. Now, upside here, bottom line, very, very simple. You want to look at this candle right there. You're looking at 3.64. About right here is your big target, 3.795, if she comes rallying up. Now, here on the daily chart, well, we can get a little bit more closer in depth here. What you want to do is look at today's high, okay? 3.50, okay? That is what you want to look at. Then we come here, you're looking at 3.608. Then we have 3.63. Then you have 3.64. That's your breakout. Above that, right there, 3.795. Now, downside, you put in a lower low here, and it only can rise up not even less than half the candle. So what you want to do is on the downside is watch yesterday's low, okay? 3.428. Watch today's low, 3.40. And then if that is lost here, then we want to come right here to this 3.328. That is your 8-day. Now, when the futures open here at 6 p.m., this 8-day is going to be higher, okay? So you want to watch that, even if, say, it gets up to 3.35, watch that 8-day because it might be a really nice scalp off of that going higher. Again, if that's lost, come to the bottom here of this candle, 3.32 basically. Top of this here, 3.279, and then your 21-day, 3.23. Okay, so this is all very, very good support going on here. Your 8-day is crossed right above here and moving higher. Your 50-day is moving higher here. Your 200-day is flat, but all the rest of these here are moving up very, very nice here. So this is kind of looking for a catalyst here to break out to hit this 3.79. Again, if it doesn't happen, then we just, watch the bottom here, watch these key SMAs here, watch the top of that candle. That was your gap right there. There's your fill right there. Those are always very important here. And then again, if it falls off, we just follow these candles all the way down, 2.97 here, and then you got 3.03, and then you have your 50-day, 2.93. If this is all lost here, well, we come down to 2.86, and then we have 2.82, and then you have your gap, and there's your fill. But I don't think this time of the year here, we're going to have to worry about that right now. I just think we were looking here. If this pulls back here down to this level, that'd be a great scalping out. Now, today was actually a good scalping out there. I scalped the UNG twice there, and I don't know what I got, almost 20 cents out of that, I think it was. But I'm trading 20,000 shares, so it kind of works out. I didn't trade any short here because of this time of the year. That's the key. So, but oil was a really good scalp there today. Tesla was a really good scalp there today. Apple was a good scalp there. I'll dump Apple here before the end of the day, though. Their earnings are out today. So there's a lot of good. And then my favorite here is TQQQ. That's for the NASDAQ. It's a leverage fund. If you really want to make trade, now that thing's up over 5.5% today. I did a video on that yesterday. That's a really, really good trading vessel right there, TQQQ. All right, that's all I have for you right now. I will be back tomorrow morning there before 8 o'clock, and we'll review crude oil here and natty gas. Thanks for watching.